Equality. It has different meanings to different people. It's complex. It's a perception. But more so, it's an experience. The measure of equality defines the opportunities presented to children, to families, and to communities. These standards are imbalanced and defined by the past. However, the line for what is right and wrong should not be gray. Access to health, a stable home life, and education is currently a privilege, but it's our purpose to change that. We work to uplift underserved communities. We believe that we can end the cycle of poverty. And together, we are Caridad.
Caridad and I worked at an elementary school, and there were farm worker children at that elementary school that really needed a lot. Many of them had no food, no electricity, no water, living in really terrible conditions. And so in 1997, we opened up our first building. They should be able to feed their children. Their children should have shoes to come to school. And when you're sick, you should be able to see a doctor. If you have that safety net, if you have that security, then you're able to function. Give a little boost to hardworking families, and they just thrive and grow.
Rooted in the passion and people of our past, we have grown to become Florida's largest freestanding healthcare clinic. Our medical, social, and educational services provide unconditional care, so our underprivileged children and adults know that their life matters.
Caridad Center is the largest free clinic in the state of Florida. We provide free medical, dental, vision, social services, and health education programs for Palm Beach County. Our mission is to upgrade the health, education, and living standards of families we serve here in Palm Beach County, and our ultimate vision is to end the cycle of poverty. One thing that we're very committed to is addressing the racial disparities in health. As the largest free clinic in Florida, we feel that we're uniquely positioned to be able to be a greater advocate for our patients in this community. And we want to share what we're doing here so that it can inform policy.
The services that Caridad provided for us in general, it changed our lives. We were able to feel part of a society. Without the support of the Caridad Clinic, I don't believe that I could be as successful as I am now.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and the treatment that I'm having from Caridad, it's a financial support, and without that financial support, I would not be able to do it on my own. So I'm grateful and thankful for Caridad.
With a culture of care, vision of progress, and dream of equality, each day we stay true to our promise of health for everyone. We believe that people from all walks of life deserve passionate care, support, and guidance. An inclusive and equitable haven, Caridad Center ensures that our children and adults have access to extensive, free healthcare services such as medical, vision, and dental.
Ha sido una bendición para nosotros porque nos han ayudado tanto como con medicinas, con los doctores, con los dientes también, los dentistas que han estado con nosotros.
Han sido de gran bendición toda la institución porque cuando más nosotros lo hemos necesitado, hayan estado para nosotros. En cualquier situación hemos recibido tanto ayuda médica y también económica. Yo estoy muy agradecida con Dios y con Caridad Center.
Having care here is a lifeline, so to speak, for many of these patients. Some of these patients never had access to care at all.
It is an incredible challenge because there are so many barriers that present with the patient in order for them to optimize their health care. Our patients don't have access to all of the medical system.
It's just the little things that we can do here that can make the biggest impact on these patients.
Beyond the safe walls of our clinic, Caridad has grown to offer behavioral health and social services, in addition to educational programs. To truly ignite generational health and wealth for our patients, we must provide effective tools knowledge, and resources to empower preventative and holistic care for our communities.
So we offer a wide range of services here at Caridad Center. The Behavioral Health Department provides patients with therapy, psychiatric services, and a support group for women. We also provide case management and linkage with community resources. We actually have a child psychiatrist on board. We have an adult psychiatrist on board. We have a few therapists, and we offer those services in person at the clinic or over telehealth. The Behavioral Health Department is like a pillar for the community. I believe that Caridad and the services that we offer here help generate awareness and education about mental illness, mental health.
Social services targets all the patient's insecurity as a whole rather than just one problem in order to create a better overall healthy lifestyle for those patients. We care more so of quality over quantity. So we take our patient cases in depth. We get to know our patients. We get to see their lives change over these periods of time and continue to follow up even after they're gone. A lot of patients don't know about these services because it's too good to be true, but I can tell you that it genuinely is. We're here to help, and we don't judge. No matter where you're from, what your background is, there's always somebody who is reaching their hand out. You just have to be pointed in the right direction. And the Caridad Center is definitely that pinpoint.
Our promise of health is the belief that everyone in our community has the right to quality health care, regardless of race, ethnicity, or ability to pay. And this collective mentality is powered by our people that make this mission possible. With over 600 devoted volunteers, including doctors, nurse practitioners, dentists, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals, Caridad has been empowered to provide over thousands of uninsured patients with personalized medical care.
I believe that the volunteers love to come to Caridad, and they choose Caridad because we still have a family feel to us. We're providing a service for free for our community. Doesn't mean it has to be subpar. We want the best. We know that in addition to saving the taxpayers' dollars, it's just the right thing to do.
What this gives you is the satisfaction that you are helping somebody in need. And I believe our team here in Caridad is very special because they really want to go beyond.
They're always welcoming with a smile, with an open heart, and they're really supportive at all times, I must say. Without Caridad, I would not have made it thus far.
Para mí también tuve un tiempo que me atendió un psicólogo acá, y así que ha sido en todos sentidos, moral, económica y en la salud también. Siempre han tenido tanto el amor como la paciencia para atendernos. Son muy buenas personas, de buen corazón.
We didn't have anybody or basically anything. Through Caridad, my mom was able to receive a mobile home so she could have all her kids. The volunteers are amazing, not only as the medical aspect of it, but even the family aspect of it. Thank you for always being there.
What everyone here is for is to take care of patients. It takes you back to the reasons why you went to medical school and started this journey in the first place.
Kind of felt maybe I'd lost a little bit of the focus of why I went into medicine, and coming to Caridad gave me the opportunity both to help people that needed help and also to teach. One of the gratifying things here is that we can really make a difference in the lives of these patients.
All of our efforts go to the patient. If we get a donation for social services, we will use every last cent to better the lives of our patients. If you come and volunteer, you can see the difference that you make when you're able to provide them with these resources.
Get more than you receive when you give. That's really the truth, because every time I pull in here, my heart just fills up, because it is a place where you can give direct help to people who need it and are so grateful for it.